Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So my name is Shraddha Singh. How are you? How are you all? How was city? So today we are going to learn about Dino Jump Game. Maybe you know this game. See in Google, like if you don't have a internet. So at that time we are playing this game, right? So now we will see how you will create this game. Okay, if you want to create this game, you can create this game. You have to watch this video. Okay, so first let's run this project. You need to just click on up arrow. Okay, see. Okay, so if Dino will touch to your cactus, so the game will over. So this is our game, right? So first thing, we have to create a backdrop here. So how you will create a backdrop? Okay, this is the main question. And here we will require Dino, we will require some obstacles. So how we will create a backdrop and which backdrop we will require here? As you can see, we have various backdrops. It is just like you need to draw one line and we have to just take some dots here, some small lines. Here also we have to take that. So it will look like a that is running, right? So this is our fifth one. You need to just draw this line and here you can, according to your choice, you can add any line. So here we have total five backdrops. Okay. After that, we will require our dino. So this is our dino. Okay. Here we have lots of dino. Even if you want, you can select that one also. Like if I will search for dino, you will get various types of dino. If you want colorful dino, you can select any one of them. Okay. So this is our black and white. After that, we will require some obstacles. So here we have four obstacles. First we have rock, then we have cactus, then we have our cactus 2 and we have our cactus 3. Okay. So this two sprite we will require if you want to create your dino jump game. Okay. And we will require some backdrops. So now we will start from dino. Okay. So for Dino, what we have to do? So what is the working of Dino? If I will run this project, if you will press the up arrow, Dino will jump. So this is only part we have to do in the Dino. Okay. And as you can see, if I will click on the flag, always the score will start from 0. So it means when flag is clicked, we have to set our score to 0. Initially, it is 0. Okay. How you will get the score? We need to click on the variable. This is our variable, right? So we have to create this two variable. And if you want how we will create the variable, you can check our previous videos. I will give you the link in the description box. Okay. You need to just click on make a variable, write down your variable name. It acts as a container where we can store our score. Okay. So first we need to score our 0 and when flag is clicked. So first we want our costume which is Dino Jump. After that, initially we have our Dino lives which is 1. And what is this point? When you will click on the flag, as you can see, this is the dino position, right? See, this is the dino position. Miss, from where you want to start your dino. So we want 147 and 105, which is near about this one. Okay. After that, we want to set the size. So what is our size here? This is like 155%. Okay. And after that we want to show the title. So this is the part like when flag is clicked, so we have to do this. Okay. After that, what we want here, if you will get this kind of error, you have to refresh your page. Okay, always you have to refresh your page. This is the one method like a we can solve that error. Okay. After that, what we want, like when I click on the flag, we want to click on the up arrow. Means if you want to dino jump, you have to click on up arrow. Means when up arrow key is pressed. So if your dino life is 1, we have to glide. Okay. So what is this position? What is this position? That is minus 147 to 15. It means in x-axis, so this is your x-axis and this one is your y-axis. So here we have positive y, here we have our negative y, here we have positive x, here we have our negative x. Okay. So what we want glide to minus 147 to 15. It means where you will get. So where is your minus 147? It is near about this position if you will see this, right? So after that, where is your 15? In y-axis, where you will get a 15? You will get 15 around here. Okay. So we want dino will jump from here to here, here to here. So that is our glide. Glide means if you want to move from one position to another, we have to wait for this second. Again, we want to glide to the downside. Okay. Now see, this is like a we want to glide from up to down. Okay. So this is like when up arrow key is pressed. After that, we want, like when we will receive the game over, we have to go to this position, means this one. Okay, like in x-axis, this is 17. In y-axis, this is minus 107. And then we have to stop everything. So this is our dino part. Now we will see the cactus. So in the cactus, in your obstacle, when flag is clicked. So initially we want this position, right? As you can see, this one. So this is our 250, right? After that, if that will touch to your dino, means if cactus will touch to your dino, we have to set the dino lives to 0 and we will broadcast game over. Once you will receive your game over here, we have to go to this position. This is the method, okay? When we will receive the game over, we want to hide our obstacle. So this is your obstacle part. After that, what we want here, when flag is clicked, we want to show we want to show our obstacle. Initially, you have a score 0, right? In the forever means if you want anything again and again. Okay. So in the forever, now we will check the condition. If your dino lives is 1, so you have to glide. Means from here to here you have to glide. Okay. Means this one, as you can see, you have to glide from here to here. Again here to here. This we have to follow continuously. So that is a forever. And then we have to go to this position, as you can see, like this. Again you will get obstacle. Again you will get other obstacles, right? And then we have to broadcast point. And once you will receive your point here, we have to change your score by 1. So now as you can see, we have to, if you will cross one more obstacle, so now score will increase by 1. Okay. After that, we have to hide, and here we have a 4 costume for your obstacle. So randomly that will pick up any obstacle. Okay. So that is our random. You have to wait for some second. It is not like a compulsory you have to wait for 0.5 second or 0.1. No, randomly it will select any value from here. And then we have to show. See? So this we have to follow for our obstacle. This 3 part. Okay. Now the next one we will see for backdrop. This is very easy. Here we have 5 backdrops. So you have to repeat until like your dino life is 0. You have to wait for some second. It will switch your backdrop to backdrop 1. Again, you have to wait for a second. Then it will switch to your backdrop 2. Again, you have to wait for a second. So we have to repeat till backdrop 5. And then randomly it will pick up any number. So now We will see what like a why we took this backdrops, okay, like a five backdrops. So again you can refresh this, so you will get your project now. So in this way we can create our dino jump game. Okay, so what I will do, I will give you link in the description box. You can check this link, okay, and you have to also create this project and you have to give your link into your comment section, okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much.